Hi everyone, my name is Dimitri, Goldwell Color Ambassador based in Germany with hair salons Hamburg and in Braunschweig. Today I will show you one of my favorite hair color trends seen at the runaway. It's a deep dark velvet brown with a twist. Therefore, I will braid the top layers of the hair to put dimension and texture. So let's start and have some fun. This is my beautiful model Lucia. For the highlights, I will use LightDimensions Silklift Strong with 3%. I will start now with braiding the hair. So after 25 minutes, I can rinse out the highlights. This is the result after highlighting the hair. I rinsed out and blow dry the hair, and now I will color the roots with Topchic 4NA, 6%, and 3 drops at Pure Pigments Cool Violet and 3 drops at Pure Pigments Cool Pink. After 20 minutes, I washed out the hair color and I shampooed and treated the hair with Kerasilk color shampoo and conditioner. I diffused the hair for this beautiful result. A dark velvet brown with stunning violet and dramatic red. I hope you like it too. We see us at the Goldwell YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye, Dimitris.